Here's a quick tip from Ralph on strategic ergonomics.
When you arrive at a new job and they give you a desk, there's 4 things that you have to adjust. You have to set the height of the chair, because people are all different sizes. You have to set the height of the monitor, because you don't want to be looking down. You want to, be relatively straight so you're comfortable. And depending upon who sat there before you, you may have to move the mouse and the phone. Because, for instance, I'm a righty. But if the person who had the desk before me was left-handed, instead of the mouse being on the right side, it will be on the left side. And the phone will be, instead of being on my left side where I want it, will be on the right side, so that I can hold a phone like this and I can write. It makes perfect sense. What's very funny is that if you look at groups of people, you look at right-handed people and left-handed people, you look at women and you look at men, they all will deal with it differently. Now, one of the reasons that is women as children are taught that it's okay to move the furniture. They're taught that it's their job to create the environment, to create the mood in the house, and to pick the pieces out. And many times when men go out shopping for furniture with their wives, they very rightly keep saying, "Yes, dear. Yes, dear." And they will have an opinion, but they realize their opinion is less well-informed than their spouse, because their spouse has thought about this. So when sitting down at this new desk, we will find that the left-handed woman will move everything around, retrace the wires to the back of the computer, bring them out to the right side, and get everything in place before lunch. Why? As a woman, she's used to moving things, and she feels justified moving things. As a lefty, she's always dealing in a world that wasn't really designed for her. Now, the left-handed man will typically do it in the first day, though it might take him 2 days. Because men, they get there and they're social and they want to show they're getting things done, and they don't value it quite as much. The right-handed woman will do it normally within the first few days, and definitely in the first week. Everything's in the proper place. The right-handed man may never do it. Unless they've been trained as an engineer or designer, they may never move these things the way they're supposed to be. Go around the back and move things around. They'll literally drag the mouse cord underneath the keyboard and hold the phone across the keyboard when they're talking. We've seen people do this who have been at the desk for years, because men are told as children, don't move the furniture. And being right-handed men, they're used to the world being designed for them.
So basically, he leaves and gets a new job and says, "I never felt comfortable there."
Exactly. And yet, anyone can move stuff. Believe me, everyone has permission to move things. And those are the 4 things you need to look at to be able to perform to a comfortable level in your workspace.